Alright, my bad. I was messing with the camera. I'm gonna record this in hyperview. And maybe I'll change it. Hey, look at me in the mirror. But maybe I'll change it off hyperview. But let's change the display color. Shit, fuck it. We'll do orange. Orange kind of matches the car. Might as well. But yeah, let's get to it. I do gotta stop for gas. Mustang owners always stopping for some fucking gas. The right side of the gas station, just because I hate. Look at this shit. But I hate people. I hate people. So much so that we're about to go all the way around, just so I can be on the other side of the thing. Oh my goodness. Y'all will be able to see the car. Y'all didn't see that. Gonna put that motherfucker in without even opening this shit. It's kind of nice out here. Fuck. Try to put $10 of gas, ended up putting $10.01 somehow. On over. What the fuck? Shit, I'm trying to go in. Don't mind the car, this shit dirty as fuck. I know. Always gotta turn traction control off. And turn it over. God damn, boy. You hit that shit hard as fuck. With a little crackle. For a second, I thought that was a cup. But yeah, there is a faster way to where we're going, but I'm purposely taking this way just so y'all can actually hear the car. I don't want to just take the highway. If I take the highway, this shit will be boring as fuck. Ain't really nothing to show. It did not look like they were slowing down. As hell. Fucking love it, man. Not the same as my other Mustang, but either way, bro, I fucking love it. Let me get over real quick so I can get a little pull in real quick. Let me go over the hill first. Never mind. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but there is a cop back there sitting in that damn parking lot. Hold on. Alright, I think we're good now. Bro, alright. we're gonna chill for the rest of the drive because there was another cop right back there. I think they were handling the situation, but fuck. I don't know why I look back like there was somebody out here. God damn, is that another one? I think that's just a Charger. That is not the gas station we're going to, and I might pull over at that gas station for a picture. I think he'll try to beat me off the jump. If he tries it, I'm gonna take off. What is that? Toyota. Fuck it, I don't know. We're pretty much here, chill. I'ma chill. I like kicking it and shit. Yeah, there's the gas station. I told you it's gonna be a short video. Short, quick video. What the fuck are you doing, you dumbass? Can't fucking see. Yeah, I'm gonna probably end it right there. Let's find a spot to park. Or I might just say fuck it. I might just say fuck it and park. Never mind. We got perfect parking right here. Just so y'all know, I only made the turn really weird because I thought there was a person right here. Thought there was a car parked right here. Because that other one is curbside parking, as you can see. Gotta give a shit about that. But yeah, this is probably gonna end it for this video. I might record on the way back. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm gonna get it, y'all.